Look, 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 look. Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Is it safe to say that you'd give your life to protect Vibes Cartel?
Of course.
Ha! Gay! God have mercy upon us.
So me I represent and step out. Since somebody now want to take up a chap dance and them a burn it out. You see me? Me I represent. Who vex about it, vex about it. Canada, Montreal. You see me? Yeah. I'm a king for chap dance. Who vex about it, tell me about my mother later. I'm used to it.
Who next for this Alkaline? I want to show no for now how Alkaline so fucking great. Think about how silent Alkaline is. Not posting nothing.
Yo, once again, them use Vibes Cartel to promote the Grammys. But Vibes Cartel cannot win the Grammy because him is independent. Him is not a part of the system. Notice all of them reggae artists who win the Grammy. They are signed to a...
Alkaline or Vibes Cartel? Who are the better artists?
Alkaline for me.
And why you say that?
They're more unique with them style.
They're more unique?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alkaline I want good artist. Bad artist. Me prefer him over Vibes Cartel.
So you feel like
For 40 cents, yeah? Or you can charge devices including cell phones, smarts, you may know, and mechanized. One more contest, thank you a lot. With us back, we're going to see you again soon, thank you.
On a next step, on a make move. Feels with them, can't feels man. Deal with them.
so not even new school?
No, sir. Alkaline a leader for all I new artists that come after him and in at the time when him bust, you know. Alkaline is the world leader. And if you got asked about the leader,
and you know, say, big man thing, that show here, make me know, say, Alkaline rate Cartel long time. I mean, make the name I show. You keep a show, and the show name up to the line. Might as well you just say up to the time, because it come like you sleep.
Basically, what me I say is, when me look at Alkaline posters, bro, we want to what are the vendetta man them get this to the mid street, brother. Alkaline rate Vibes Cartel that. I tell you. But I want to listen to him song, I want to just want to be in denial and feel like say we don't want to be stubborn and don't want to pay attention. But Alkaline rate Vibes Cartel.
So Alkaline is out here causing heartache and pain for the Gaza fans them, viewers and subscribers. And honestly speaking, this looks more than obsession. This looks like more than obsession to me. Like literally viewers and subscribers. It is just crazy how Gaza fans them are crash out, how crazy how everything them find for involve Alkaline name in it, viewers and subscribers. Just a couple days ago, I see a clippings with a brother say Alkaline's Up to the Line concert. Alkaline a copy Cartel by the name of the concert being Up to the Line. And, you know, Cartel's theme saying where him say up to the time whenever I'm sing him songs them. So, we have that for play for another clippings of viewers and subscribers and another clippings also with a brother. I speak about Alkaline saying Alkaline rate Vibes Cartel and viewers and subscribers, Gaza fans them are still seeking validations from Alkaline. They're still seeking to get some sort of respect or ratings from Alkaline towards their boss Vibes Cartel. I thought Alkaline had already said that him respect Vibes Cartel. Well, just like how him respect everybody else. But because the Gaza fans them want a special respect from Alkaline, they go to the extent. It look like them all got them grave without seeing this respect from Alkaline or get Alkaline to acknowledge Cartel in any sort of way. But viewers and subscribers, you know the regular routine already. Make sure so you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So you know, say a whole heap of things are going on in media space, right? Vybz Cartel and the Gaza fans them have been taking L's from late last year. So, you know what? The torture never stops. So, we have some things to highlight and show in another vlog here. Both bad and both good. Both people are calling up Alkaline name in a wrong way. And people are calling up Alkaline name in a right, positive way. So, viewers and subscribers, without further ado, we could just kick off the vlog like this. So the brother here is a Gaza man, and viewers and subscribers, I want to listen to the reason why him say Alkaline rate Vybz Cartel. Jaja God, viewers and subscribers, the man them are clutch at anything, just forget Alkaline's ratings or Alkaline's acknowledgements to Vybz Cartel. I know Vybz Cartel not care about it, but him fans them are dead feet. So people, listen to what the brother have to say.
Alkaline respect Vybz Cartel people. This is why I said that.
They want to talk about Vybz Cartel and Alkaline right now. We want to talk about, because you know you have a whole lot of people that talk about who boss Vybz Cartel and who no boss Vybz Cartel. And you have a whole lot of vendetta blogger talk about Alkaline and rate Vybz Cartel and who no rate Vybz Cartel. But before me even start, people, remember me make a video from a long time and tell them the Vybz Cartel is the virtuoso, right? Alright, so today we want to talk about Vybz Cartel and Alkaline again. So I want to say, people, really and truly, Vybz Cartel is a polymath. So a polymath is a type of person who master every subject. You get what I mean? So that's why Vybz Cartel is hard to be stopped, because when you're a polymath, you master every subject basically. So there's nothing where you don't master. You get what I mean? Yeah. And when we want to say about people that talk about who boss Vybz Cartel, this is what we want to answer one with. Because all people have different ideas who boss Vybz Cartel or who no boss Vybz Cartel. Let me tell you this, people. When you go to school and a teacher over the years, when you left school, you know what the teacher nothing, you know, because the teacher, that was his job for teacher. One particular, them say bring Vybz Cartel to the forefront, differently from in first producer when they have before. You get what I mean? So boom, one particular bring Vybz Cartel to the forefront, right? But me tell you this, one particular bring a lot of other people to the forefront, a lot. But where them there right now? Them don't make it. So basically what I try to say is, in every life, when people introduce us to something, and you boss yourself, you know, your talent is what gonna make you boss. So when you exploit your talent is what gonna get you where you're supposed to be. Remember, I'm saying at the early initial stage of one particular boss other people, but most of them you know hear about. You get me? So Vybz Cartel and Mavado and Busy Signal and a few of them stand out as the most prominent one. You get what I mean? Or the most dominant one then. So basically what me I say, people, is Vybz Cartel is the one who boss himself. I'm going to tell you why Vybz Cartel boss himself. So me bring you to a job, I'm introduce you to do it. It's if you never mind towards learning the job, you're never going to get it. You get what I mean? So Vybz Cartel from the initial stage, you already have the virtuoso inside him, a great musician. You get what I mean?
Brother, get to the point. I don't really want to hear what you say about Vybz Cartel and who boss him. Because apart from whoever boss Vybz Cartel, anybody where you ask who put Vybz Cartel to the forefront, they won't tell us say Beanie. They won't tell us say Bounty Killer put Vybz Cartel to the forefront. But who give Vybz Cartel in first number one? Beanie Man. So a lot of people have hands in a Vybz Cartel's career. So we not really talk about who boss him or who no boss him. It's just a trend where people are running with right now. I say them boss Cartel. But truth be told, Beanie Man and Bounty Killer put Cartel out there. One of them put him to the forefront and one of them gave him first number one. So yeah, that. But me could hear what you say about Alkaline now.
You can't boss. You know why? Because the talent, it wasn't up to par. The people have never relate to what them do or whatever. They never have a great talent. They was just a twin and they have little lyrics here and there, but they wasn't talented that much. So that's why they never get that boss. So for Vybz Cartel, if we get this boss, that's showing us a Vybz Cartel have the talent. So a Vybz Cartel basically boss himself by get introduced by Bounty Killer. You get what I mean? Yeah, so one talk about Alkaline now. Boom. We see new rules are keep, right? We were in Brooklyn last week and first message the new rules posters. Sometime in February, March it a keep. We find out say the ticket them out on sale right now. The ticket them not sold out yet, but them still on sale. Them and take time to do them thing. You get what I mean? Alkaline first big arena like this. In first at the arena before it was in England where it was like 12,000 people. So this one in New York now, you know, up to like 19,000 and change. So It's a good look. Humongous. You get what I mean? Yeah, man. So basically, what me I say is, when me look at Alkaline posters, bro, I want to all of the vendetta man them get this that they made straight, brother. Alkaline rate Vice Cartel, dog. I tell you. But I want to listen to him song, I want to just want to be in denial and feel like say we don't want to be stubborn and don't want to pay attention. But Alkaline rate Vice Cartel. Because first of all, what I know say Alkaline rate Vice Cartel. CJ Milan and Vice Cartel, biggest promoter. We promote all of the dance MC the Vice Cartel come home and work with. You think say if Alkaline never rate Vice Cartel, once upon a time Alkaline even want to go around certain things with a Vice Cartel. I mean he do, not nice and all part of things, but me I talk like promoters wise. You know who want to work with them, come and say, I didn't want to.
So basically, you're saying that Vybz Cartel owns CJ Milan, so no other artists not for work with her. Alkaline of all person, him not for work with CJ Milan. I wear the blood cleat this man. I want to them idiot Gaza man, dog. Them man are idiot, you know. You say Alkaline rate Vybz Cartel because him a work with CJ Milan, a well-known promoter. Are you kidding me? The other day, CJ Milan did a partner with Movado in a Jamaican Keeper concert, but it was cancelled. So you're telling me that because Alkaline partner with CJ Milan to keep him new rules in the Barclays Center, him rate Cartel. And another thing, did Alkaline say him hate Cartel? Did he ever say him hate Cartel? I thought Alkaline went on interviews and said him respect Cartel just like him respect every other dancehall artist. You see, Uno Gaza fans, Uno seek something when nobody no know, I come like a Uno alone know it. What are you guys gaining by going this extreme? Get some validation from Alkaline. What? Come on, bro.
So Alkaline work with CJ Milan, that will show you say Alkaline respect what go on and with Vice Cartel come out and do. What Alkaline give you Bumbleclaw concert name? Because most of them vendetta blogger are vendetta followers. Most of one on that Jamaica, no found that foreign too. But no found that in the city posters. What coming here, no one talk this in the dark, I'm a hypocrite, you know. What the posters name with Alkaline give the party we are keep in a February, March. I keep in a March in the Barclays Center. You know the party name? The party name Up to the Line, dog. Up to the Line.
Yeah, brother, you clearly a idiot, dog. You clearly not no sense of blood cleat. Yo, brother, you not no sense. Where you get this thing from, bro? Alkaline name concert Up to the Line. You have sense, brother. Up to the Line after Champs concert in a Jamaica. Brother, and the man so confident about it while saying it. How will the blood cleat this, dog? Brother, you not have no sense. Go do some fact check before you forward out and say all of them garbage out of your mouth with confidence back at it too. Cha God. Up to the Line after Champs. And I hope you see that video here, you know, because you're idiot, you know, brother. You see the video where I run up and down with the brother and say, Up to the Line, Alkaline concert of Jamaican think new rules. You idiot. Alkaline has been having his new rules for years all over the world. So, this Up to the Line and this obsession we want to have with Alkaline, it need to stop, dog. It need to stop because all when Alkaline not do nothing, you still have forward out and attack. You still have conversation about Alkaline.
Who say up to the time? Common sense, bro. You don't want a rocket scientist to see this man if you say, you know, say Alkaline rate Cartel. Or if you know rate Cartel, he might do certain things close to what Cartel do to create a controversy around female. Because remember, from the Umbre Bus, you know, we all know, say, in controversy, them are surround by Vice Cartel and whatever. And all of them make money after just calling Vice Cartel name. All of them know this in the dancehall. Most of them know, we just don't want to even admit it. And just because we're tired of the Vice Cartel around the game so long, we don't want something else new. Because we know say the brain and it's just like that. The brain don't like to see one thing too much. Depends if your brain powerful, it will like that. Because like our brain are powerful, we like to see him because we know why I'm here for. We know the significant meaning why I'm here. And know say him are the gate runner and the one we are always go open doors to holy fathers in great ways. Like basically open doors to make you guys see that you can charge 1.5 million and other things too. You get what I mean? But deeply, bro, Alkaline rate Cartel. Alkaline concert name Up to the Line. Brother, why would you name a concert Up to the Line if you never know the Vice Cartel say Up to the Time?
I don't know where he's getting at with this conversation, you know. Me don't know where him really I get with that conversation. Yeah. Brother, stop the vlogging. Please stop the blood cleat vlogging. Because you clearly lose a brain cell. You clearly not no sense. All your chat a be a madness your chat, dog. All I talk about $1.5 million. Who cares about Vybz Cartel's $1.5 million where I make? Nobody cares, and me doubt Alkaline even fears by the $1.5 million. 40 million or chum change, Alkaline telling you that. So we're not talking about $1.5 million. Who cares? And you're talking about Alkaline, rate Cartel. Brother, come off our internet, dog. Charge your God.
And you know, say, big woman thing. That show here, make me know say Alkaline rate Cartel long time. I mean, make the name my show. Yeah, keep a show and the show name up to the line. Might as well you just say up to the time. Cause it come like you sleep and wake with the guards up on your mind.
People are from all 14. The Gaza fans them a look validation from Alkaline, you know. And we're there in a 2025. And the man them still a try seek validations from Alkaline. Brother, una go seek it until you go on the grave. Till you go 6 foot deep. Because Alkaline now forward out and praise prisoner, friend killer. Alkaline now forward out and praise jail boss. Him now go do it. So all in on the head on the thing said, Alkaline I go forward out and acknowledge Cartel and say, oh, I'm inspired by Cartel. Or Cartel inspired me and me rate and respect Cartel. Well, him already saying respect him like everybody else in our music, but uno now go get that form of respect that uno look for. So all uno do, uno can go and talk and clutch at straws because Alkaline won't be the one to forward out and say, yo, Cartel, big up yourself. Nope, isn't he locked up?
You know, me, I show you how dancehall is really fucking corrupt. Dancehall is one of the corruptest sport in the entire world. Like, I think about it like every artist when I hear say Alkaline is a great artist or Alkaline is a good person or whatever, like, I notice that be a blackball them get. Yeah. Look for Maka Diamond. She talk about Alkaline great and Alkaline a good youth and stuff like that. Nobody not like Maka Diamond. Isn't it Stark? Ashley. Look on her. She do her thing, bro, but me I tell her like, even all the producer them a go against the man, bro. Like, when man do tune, bro, like, the man too great, bro. Like, you then see the man greatness, but bro, look and see all the women here rate Alkaline. Just know say yo, the whole on I gotta be great and only great right now. Just know that. Remember man telling you. Yeah man, you see them a fight against the dog. Wait man. And new rules are gonna get bigger too. It'll be one of the biggest show. No joke. Yeah bro. The dog great you fuck my youth. The man get fighting and everything bro. Like who rate him? Everybody blackball them. It's crazy. The biggest thing that come from Jamaica right now. No joke. Cartel you know. Cartel big in a bro, but me tell you in a bro. Watch and see what we're going.
Brother, I'm not going to wrong you when you say Stark Ashley and Maka Diamond I get blackball, but you have to understand, say, them I get blackball for them own doings. Remember the other day, them that say Stark Ashley abused one girl and them I say she are the new P. Diddy a dancer. So if you are own business, if you are own doing, make people a blackballer. And also, Maka Diamond, the name what you call. You say Maka Diamond I get blackball from she call Alkaline name. So Alkaline is a great artist. But you have to also remember, say Maka Diamond, if you are own doings, make people a blackballer. Remember, she want bring in Batman in a dance hall, you know. Derek Morgan, you know. Remember, she do song with Derek Morgan. So, the people in my blackballer say them don't want that in a dance hall. So, if you are own wrong doing that, you can't really mix up Alkaline with them people because I feed them own issues. But yeah, I get what y'all said. Must Alkaline get blackball in a dance hall, but them can only blackball him for so long. Them can't blackball him forever because him fan base I get bigger and bigger. Even though them want blackball him music in the streets, them, Yeah, him fans them still are listening music them. And him fans them a get bigger and bigger. See him keep him shows them at Jamaica. And him a keep show at Jamaica again. And I'm telling you, they're going to be sold out. So them can't blackball. All them want blackball. But Alkaline, them can't stop him. So all them have to do a try. And them can't stop him. So people down at Jamaica there, the people them were down at Jamaica respect Alkaline, them respect him on a different level, viewers and subscribers. A lot of people have been speaking about Alkaline, saying that he's the leader of the new school. I mean, nah lie, it's a good look for the artist, because you remember one time when them a bash him, say him not gonna come out to nothing, him not gonna pass 2 years in our business. So yeah, viewers and subscribers, the people them respect Alkaline so is so high. The respect of them have the Alkaline is so high, viewers and subscribers. And it's not because him is a tall guy. So viewers and subscribers, listen to that brother here. He must say, Alkaline is the leader of the new school, not Skipper. Listen what he have to say.
Yeah, me G. You feel like Skipper is the new face of dancehall?
Alright, me now gonna say, me never say nothing bad about Skipper. Cause number one is Skipper doing one thing on his own. Me respect that. But new face of dancehall, right now Skipper never get no big song like Dunceman and Valiant them. So no.
I say no.
Two song can bring you the face of dancehall.
Yeah. No, so not even new school?
No sir. Alkaline a leader for all I new artists that come after him and in at the time when him bust, you know. Alkaline is the world leader. And if you are gonna ask about the leader for dancehall, is Alkaline. Yeah.
Me and them God youth no care them a grumble, they want say nothing but more while enough to humble. Fly bat, no kiss a put in the ground and money life cash roll it to tool, them a wish to see we hype flop. Viewers and subscribers, on see it for yourself, you know, a Alkaline a govern the place of the new generation. Them have to look up to him, you know. Them have to look up to him. All the other artists them in the dancehall, them have to look up to him. Every move we make, the artists them a pattern it and a patronize it also. So yeah, Alkaline are the new school, leader for the new school. So the whole artists them time up. Right now, Alkaline are govern the space right now. So you just have to stand aside and watch greatness.
Alkaline or Vibs Cartel, who is the better artist?
Alkaline or Vibes Cartel? Who are the better artists?
Alkaline to me.
And why you say that?
He's more unique with him style.
They're more unique?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alkaline I want good artist. Bad artist. Me prefer him over Vibes Cartel.
So you feel like Alkaline could be the next king of dancehall?
You know the next king?
Yeah.
Yeah, no other king no there but Alkaline.
So Anto Massacre was saying about the new king?
No. That's why the artist not say I'm a goat.
Yeah.
But the artist ain't the goat thing, Alkaline ain't the goat thing. Alkaline deal with the real king.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And the man then run down for kingship.
Yeah.
Work for it. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So I prefer Alkaline over any one of them.
Over any one of them?
Exactly.
You have any favorite Alkaline song?
Yeah.
Which Alkaline song is a favorite?
Alkaline, when me say my favorite now, the one when him say, they never want me, huh?
Yeah, the formula. Yeah, so you say you have a formula.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So from your work, you have a formula.
Yes, man, you have to.
Yeah.
So them man they deal with progressive things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me have to say Alka to the world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah, man, Alkaline straight and the whole family we me have.
Yeah.
From baby mother to pick me go straight up.
Yeah.
Sister to everyone.
Yeah.
So the elder same rate Alkaline over Vibes Cartel. Jaja God. It no look safe. But viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you this, you know, you see as a vendetta fans, when you look on the music business from a far perspective, you get to realize yeah, Alkaline is truth, you know. Some things with Alkaline forward in a game and do make enough artists have to really pattern it and take the music business serious, you know. Cause enough artists no know say music a 90% business and 10% music, 10% talent. So enough of them forward in their business and never take the business serious. When Alkaline came on the scene, I just straight business. Was when him say, I'm all about the money. I'm all about the money like Broke Life. Never know me. Alkaline are the artists will put out an album and then everybody start take album serious. Me hear some people that talk about a massacre, take do album and make everybody start take album serious. Alkaline was the artist. When every artist did a drop album, people never take them serious. Enough album never did a chart. Never did a chart. The last person who chart #1 on Billboard with an album a Shaggy out of dancehall. So enough people never did a take album serious. When Mavado did a drop all him David Brooks album and them album there, enough people just listen music for music. Them never really take it serious. Like go out, go purchase an artist album in a dancehall. And when Alkaline for out on the scene. So some things where Alkaline I do. And right now, viewers and subscribers, in a Alkaline's 10-year career, when you look on this dancehall scene, enough artists in them 10-year career never sell out an arena yet. Or enough artists never thinking of them head say, yo, me I go put on an arena show in a them 10-year span career. So Alkaline forward out, do something in a dancehall and make them have to respect this. All the elders pre it and respect it, as what Alkaline say. Young and old people, them rate the thing, dog. Alkaline are the brother, dog. Alkaline are the man for the new generation. Vibes Cartel and them other guys, them time up. Right now, Alkaline a set the trend. And a whole it more set trend I go set. Watch it. 2016, nah gonna. Even about 2016. 2026, nah gonna, man.
So me I represent and step out. Since somebody now want to take up a chap dancehall and them a bunny thought. You see me? Me I represent. Who vex about it, vex about it. Canada, Montreal. You see me? Yeah. I'm a king for chap dancehall. Who vex about it, tell me about my mother later. I'm used to it. Me da LA. Toronto, Montreal. The king for chap dancehall that they're live, yeah? I saw me have to start do it. Corrupt. Who vex?
You know, some really have to forward out and give Massacre some credit. Yeah, man, really have to give Massacre some credit, viewers and subscribers. Because this reminds me so much of Massacre, you know, in a 2019 when he forward out and say, come party with the new king of dancehall in our video. And for some reason, them youth are just a clown out themselves when them a claim title in a dancehall about king of this and king of that. You know, see, so you a clown out on yourself and you mash up on your career. You follow Massacre and bring on your career go down in a ditch. I saw you a king. So Valiant forward out and say I'm a king of trap, viewers and subscribers. I mean I say king of trap music, king of trap dancehall. Brother, you have sense. You know say trap dancehall and nothing. Why you own up a title like that? And yeah, me wouldn't give you the king of trap dancehall. I would have more likely say Riding King forward out and, you know, monetize that thing upon a level. Him own it up on a level, the trap dancehall from them time. But saying that you are the king of trap dancehall, brother, Valiant, you are going to mash up your career, you know, and you are following, you know, the follow fashion thing no work for everybody. Valiant, you need to stop it, dog. So Cargo forward out and a laugh after Nuffy viewers and subscribers, saying that MC Nuffy won't get his Grammy 6 this year. Jaja God. How many L's can the Gaza side take, viewers and subscribers? Cargo says some whole heap of things in other clippings of viewers and subscribers. I'm want to share it to you know. Pre it because to the way how Cargo laugh, I want to know how Cargo laugh already, you know. Feel him laughing contagious. When time start laugh, it make you want to laugh too. So viewers and subscribers, pre the clippings here with Cargo. And you must see a whole heap of things. Watch out.
Nuffy won't get his Grammy 6 this year.
Nuffy a crash out. Like you need put on in Grammy G-string and have to take off it. Grammy Nuffy. No, they plan to get Grammy folk. No, the DNA rise against Bob Marley boy picking it. The DNA rise against Cargo Marley boy.
Cargo and the Marley brothers.
You know, get the DNA rise against Cargo and the Marley brothers. That's it.
I'm telling you from day one. Look for my nose. Listen to me, boy. You come and crash out. Anybody for one album, so long as they do the right business, they go win Grammy. They might not go up on the stage. Nothing. I'm going to tell you something. I don't want to say it. If I say it, I know me say it, you know, I hear one man say it, and if me repeat it, I have to delete my page. So let me leave it alone, but nothing. You're so fucking upset and you can't sing a song. Boy, I tell you why. Don't clot, boy. I can't imagine how Beanie Man and Shabba them laugh. Oh God. Nothing plan to have getting Grammy sex. No. Put on in Grammy G-string around 3P Diddy Kanga. Some P Diddy Grammy Island. I want anything tonight. Tonight. My Grammy fall. Listen to it. I want to turn me in a comedian. So I have to take it. Well, nothing crash out the fuck. Boy, Massacre. You go get a Grammy time and come. Go pick you up. Nothing say. I know you. It is not you, boy. It is not you, then God. Boy, I tell you, not even Jesus never have a pussy clad friend so loyal.
Viewers and subscribers, catch you in another vlog now. You know it go. Our vibes and inside with Nando with another episode and another vlog. A mad thing. Peace. I'm out.